I'm Kevin Berg from the High Country Conservation Center, and here we are at Zero Waste Central in Frisco, Colorado. Today we're going to talk about how to set up your zero waste Clearstream station for those of you so inclined to be using these at your events. So we're going to start with the frame. You have your frame. This one is green, signaling that it's a compost. So you want to start with your frame. You want to open it up until it stops, just like that. You're going to take your bag, and this is very important. The bag is the hardest part of setting up. You see that you want to loop it through the space and up over the top, and you want to pull it. And you can see that it locks that corner down. And you can narrow this a little bit when you're putting the bag in to make it a little easier on you, because you're going to have to spread it out and put the lid on it. So again, you through the space, over the top, and you pull down kind of firmly to make sure that the bag gets locked. That's key to having the bag not fly off the frame once it gets windy. So again, you're locking. Then you can spread it out to the proper width. The lid comes next. You can see that on the lid there are these little clamp-like things built in right into the bottom of the lid. You want those to actually clip down on top of the wire frame. So you want to get it to the right width, and you can hear it click once you press down. So then your station is set up. Next is the sign. You want to look for the side of the frame that has the two sleeves. That's where the frame for the sign is going to go. I recommend taking the sign and putting it on the frame before you put the entire mechanism on the zero waste station. So silver grommets, two little hooks, pretty self-explanatory. I like holding it like this, sliding the sign in, and then wrapping it down over the hooks. This is the key. Next key thing is you can see how there's a small L leg on this frame. You don't want it, you're not going to be able to put it in like this. You have to have this into the frame so that it sticks back away from the station itself. So you just slide that little peg into the sleeve on each side, and there you go. Of course, continue and you do all three, put the signs on it, and there's your 3-bin zero waste station.